This is garlic eggplant. Just steam it for a while and you will get a dish that tastes even better than meat. It's simple, delicious, and loved by the whole family. Let me show you how to make it. Prepare 2 eggplants and cut them into short pieces. Bring some water to a boil, then steam the eggplant for 15 minutes. Now let's make the garlic sauce. Garlic goes perfectly with eggplant, so means a generous amount of garlic. Then chop some chili peppers. Add some sesame seeds. Then pour hot oil over them to release the aroma of the garlic. Next, add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and chicken powder. If you like Sichuan peppercorns, you can add some as well. The eggplants are ready. Let them cool slightly, then tear them into small strips. Arrange them on a plate and pour over the garlic sauce. Finally, sprinkle with some green onions and it's done. Dip the eggplant into the sauce and coat it with some minced garlic. The umami flavor is amazing. So good. Thanks for watching. Bye.